So today, let's plant something that I think is a lot of fun. And it also adds a nice look to your garden, and that's pole beans. Pole beans are easy to do. If you find 5 or 6 poles, 5.5, 6 foot, even 7 foot tall, bind them together at the top, and we'll show you ours and how we do it. It's just a fun thing to do. Kids enjoy it. It's easy to plant. They grow and climb up the pole as the season goes along. They're easy to harvest off of, but you literally can see their tendrils as they come off of the plant and start to grow. So it's a cool thing to watch, a cool thing to do. So let's take a quick look on how to plant and how to get your pole beans. So the poles that we use, I actually bought from a hardware store. I'm surprised they've actually lasted about 3 years. These are not the most expensive, but if you can find some poles off an old dead tree or a pine tree, anything that you can bind together. They came with a little grommet that bound them at the top, but I found that a zip tie works beautifully. We have one of our extra poles over here. This is another one. We have this pole bean, and we have one up in our north part of our garden. And it's just a lot of fun each year to go in and plant. So all we do is just make sure, and we keep compost around the base, is I've got brand new compost there and here. So we're ready to plant, and we'll show you exactly how we plant around these pole beans. And as the season goes along, we'll come back and show you how they progress. But it's just a lot of fun, and it's easy to do. So let's show you how we plant. Okay, we've got a few pole beans. We're ready to go. And let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to plant these. Remember, what we want to do is plant them in a place where their tendrils, when they start to grow, they'll grab onto these poles. We also have some nylon string, which we put around here, which acts as a ladder, which allows those pole beans to grow around and go up. So what we do is we just plant. I just make a little insertion about 1 inch deep for each of these seeds out here in the corner. We'll also plant some in the center as well, but all you have to do, just drop those seeds in very simply, just about 1 inch deep. And as you can see, we'll go all the way around the exterior. I always like to put a few in the center as well. Just go ahead and cover these up like that. And it's really that simple. So when it's all said and done, there'll be about maybe 25 at the most. They'll usually germinate within about 8, 9, 10 days, and you'll start to see them grow. And it doesn't take long at all before they start to grow up and completely envelop these poles. So it's really cool and a fun thing to do. So pole beans are just that easy. They look nice. They're easy to build. You find 4 or 5 poles, you bind them at the top. You have your compost that you plant into and let nature do the rest. Keep them watered. You don't have to prune them. It's a simple thing to do. And not only that, the beans taste great. So easy to harvest off of. You just go up, pull the beans off, and it's that easy. So it's a great addition to your garden. So whenever you plan your garden this year, think about pole beans. Great tasting, easy, and they save space. So that's the beauty of pole beans. Blessings over you, your family, your garden this spring. We know you're going to do great. We always have a couple of videos you can check out next. Those videos will take you further along in your gardening process, and we just appreciate your time. Blessings over you, your family, your garden, and good luck with your pole beans. Talk to you soon.